Hello and welcome to the Learn HTML and CSS for Complete Beginners course. To get us going, because we're going to jump right in and start writing some code real soon, we need to download a text editor. And the text editor that we're going to be using throughout this course is called Visual Studio Code. It's the most commonly used text editor as far as I know. It seems to be very prevalent now. Everyone seems to be using it. So yeah, it seems like the best one to kind of show you how to build websites with on this course. To download it, first off we're going to need to go to code.visualstudio.com, or you can just Google Visual Studio Code and you'll see a page that looks something like this. I'm on a Mac, so the download link is Mac specific, but VS Code or Visual Studio Code is made by Microsoft, so it works across all platforms. And so yeah, once you've downloaded it, installed it, and open it up, you will see the get started screen. You can spend a bit of time looking through this if you like, but really the main thing that you need to focus on is your Explorer. This is your file explorer, and this will be how you navigate through the files in your project. What you want to do next is click New File, and then you want to save that file. You want to call the file, index.html. And then it will pop up with this window of where you would like to save the file. I've got this folder called Learn HTML already set up. You can set up a new folder if you like, but as long as it's somewhere that's quite memorable and easy to get to, because you'll need to be finding this folder quite a lot over the progress of this course. So once you've made the file, just create. I'll cancel this for now because I've already got my file set up. And then what you want to do is navigate to the file in your file explorer, just double click on it and it will open up, and what you'll see is something like this in the address bar, and you'll see a completely blank page. So let's just hop over back here and we can write hello world, save it, refresh the page, and we can see there it says hello world. And if we want to do something else, like this is my first web project, save it. Yeah, and it appears there. Now, this is one of the, I guess, the kind of quirks of HTML that we'll get onto. See, notice how we put in a couple of line breaks there, no line break here. But yeah, so this is just sort of getting you familiar with where to get Visual Studio Code from, what your first screen will look like, and what the editing interface on VS Code looks like. In the next section we'll start writing some basic HTML tags just to get you familiar with the fundamentals of HTML, and then we'll move on to some more advanced stuff as we go through the course. Thanks very much, see you next time.